Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create ads on TikTok. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. First, make sure to log in into your account on TikTok, and then we will need just to create or to turn on the professional mode for our profile. So we need just to click on profile, the three lines of navigation, settings and privacy, and here we can go to the account. So basically here you can see the option to switch to business account. We want our profile to be a business account so we can start like managing and creating our ads and just click here, next, next, next until it finish. You can choose your category, for example, uh, education and training, for example, and here add your email address, and then you can just skip and start creating videos now, for example. And here you can create your own videos or anything you like. So basically, now let's just go to our business account. So here we find the business suite that has been added on our profile. So now you can start like adding a business content by creating like videos and start collaborating or just paying so you can have your own ads. So now we can just click either on promote so you can create any ads that you want. So you will need just to choose any video and then you will select the content that you want to promote. And after that, you want to select the pack that you want to have. And by that, you have your own ads on TikTok. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.